Deep inside these jungles, an empire once ruled. An empire more advanced than anyone imagined. Before Europe understood zero, the Maya were calculating the stars. They built cities where no rivers flowed. The land was stone, water vanished underground.
Then they found the secret hidden beneath their feet.
Cenotes, portals to fresh water and to the gods.
No metal, no horses, no wheel. Only stone tools and human will. And they built mountains. Pyramids that could speak.
They tracked planets with naked eyes.
They invented zero thousands of years ago. 10 million people, markets, trade, chocolate as money.
20 beans for that cloth.
15, and we have a deal.
Kings ruled as living gods.
Their science fed millions.
But power has a price. The rain stopped, the soil failed, war followed.
In just 1 century, the cities fell.
The jungle didn't destroy them, it simply waited.